APJ Abdul Kalam, early life and education of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Awul Fakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was born on 15 October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, to a Tamil Muslim family. His father, Jainulabdin Markayar, was a boat owner and the imam of a local mosque, while his mother, Ashiamma, was a housewife. The family lived in a pilgrimage center, and Kalam's father operated a ferry that transported Hindu pilgrims between Rameswaram and the now uninhabited Dhanushkodi. Kalam was the youngest of 4 brothers and 1 sister. His ancestors were once wealthy Markayar traders and landowners, but by the time he was born, the family's fortunes had dwindled due to the failure of their businesses after the Pamban Bridge opened in 1914. As a result, the family was poverty-stricken, and young Kalam had to sell newspapers to support their meager income. Despite facing financial challenges, Kalam was a bright and hard-working student, especially passionate about mathematics. He completed his schooling at Schwartz Higher Secondary School in Ramnathpuram and then attended St. Joseph's College in Tiruchirappalli, graduating with a degree in physics in 1954. In 1955, Kalam moved to Madras to study aerospace engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology. During his studies, he faced significant pressure when the dean threatened to revoke his scholarship due to a delayed project. However, he met the deadline and impressed the dean, leading to a successful completion of his course. Although he aspired to become a fighter pilot, he narrowly missed the opportunity, placing 9th in the qualifiers, while only 8 positions were available. Career as a scientist. After graduating in 1960, Kalam joined the Aeronautical Development Establishment of the Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO, as a scientist. He initially designed a small hovercraft but soon moved to the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, where he worked under Vikram Sarabhai. In 1969, he became the project director for India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV-3, which successfully deployed the Rohini satellite in 1980. Kalam's work in aerospace extended beyond satellite launch vehicles. He played a crucial role in developing the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, and participated in various projects at ISRO, including visits to NASA facilities in the United States for research and collaboration. In addition to his contributions to space technology, Kalam was involved in India's nuclear program. He witnessed the country's first nuclear test, Smiling Buddha, and directed critical missile projects such as Project Devil and Project Valiant, which aimed to develop ballistic missile technology. His leadership during the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, IGMDP, resulted in the successful development of key missiles like Agni and Prithvi. Kalam served as the Chief Scientific Advisor to the Prime Minister and Secretary of DRDO from July 1992 to December 1999, during which time he played a significant role in the Pokhran 2 nuclear tests, making him one of India's most recognized scientists. In addition to his work in defense and space technology, Kalam collaborated with cardiologist Soma Raju to create the low-cost Kalam Raju stent and designed a rugged tablet computer for healthcare in rural areas, known as the Kalam Raju tablet. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's journey from a humble background to becoming a renowned scientist and a key figure in India's technological advancements is an inspiring testament to his dedication and vision for the country.